Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
एक मनीस जाणें सगल्यांक बरें उतर दिलें, कोणाच्याय गरजांक पावलो आनी केन्नाच पयशे दुडू वांकडी वाटेन एकठावपाचो केन्नाच प्रयत्न केलो ना. त्या खातीर तुकारामांक आयज हांगासर हांव आर्गां दितां, ताका सर्गीचें सूख फावो जावंक मानतां आनी ताचें नांव ह्या रस्त्याक दिवन ताची याद फुडले पिळगेक दवरली म्हूण आनी एक फावट कांदोली पंचायतीक आनी मायकल बाबाक देव बरें करूं.
Point which we inaugurated a few days back, the development of the crematorium which is there. Water problem, know a lot of people have in Saipan is the water problem which still today is not solved. Baba tried his best, and when Baba was there was no problem. He used to see that anyhow the people of Saipan would get the water. Now our minister will tell you all how he is going to solve the problem of the water problem in Saipan. Electricity was a big problem before in Saipan, which Baba solved it. You all were getting from the industrial, and every time the shutdown was there, the power used to go. He changed it over and he got it from Kandulam as well as Pilen. So now you all should not have any problem with power. So these are the works Baba has done, not only in Saipan, in the other parts of our village in Kandulim. And he was a good advisor to me and Fermin, who are still there. We were all three good friends and we could manage to do a lot of things together.
सगल्यांक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, सगल्यांक थावजंड्स. कित्याक अशें आमी जर करिना जाल्यार बरे मनशाचें नांव जे जेनरेशन नेक्स्टाक उगडास उरपाक जाय, भुरग्यांक उगडास करपाक जाय की हेणें बरें कार्य केलां म्हणून तेजें नांव हिंगासर ह्या प्लेटीर पडलें.